SuperSliders are the perfect product for moving furniture with ease. They come in a range of shapes and sizes to accommodate just about any type of furniture or object, as they protect any type of surface. Slightly lift or tilt an object to be moved, and place a slider under each leg or corner. Then push or pull the object across carpeted or hard surfaces with ease. Reusable sliders are designed with a foam padded side that keeps a firm grip on what you're moving, so it won't slip off, protecting your floor from any damage. You can even move heavy objects all by yourself. SuperSliders work great under sofas, beds, tables, chairs, and more. Some SuperSliders come with self-stick adhesive to attach permanently under items. Use SuperSliders to protect your beautiful surfaces from everyday wear and tear. By Waxman.